Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Netflix account on any smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Netflix app on your smart TV. Since you are creating a new account, select Get Started instead of Sign In. On the next screen, tap Continue and enter your email address using the on-screen keyboard. After entering your email, select Send. Netflix will send a confirmation email to your email address. Open your email on your mobile phone and tap Finish Signing Up. This will open a Netflix web page where you can complete the account setup. Tap Next, confirm your email, and choose a subscription plan. Select a plan that fits your needs, then continue to the payment page. Enter your card details and complete the payment to activate your account. Once the account is created, go back to the Netflix app on your smart TV. Select Sign In, choose Use Remote, and enter your email and password. After signing in, create or select a profile to start watching. So that's basically how you can create Netflix account on any smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.